Hey guys, Lemia here today, and we are going to be proving or debunking flat Earth. So here's the first thing I want to show you. Video showing 100% proof the curvature of Earth. As you can see, this man pointing to this mountain. The bottom of the mountain is gone. Now this is by a beautiful known thing called the horizon. Now here, you can see the bottom of the mountain's completely gone, and that first of all proves the curvature of the Earth. So, yeah, see, I mean, they may argue saying that it's an optical illusion or something, but it's not. It's not. You can definitely see that the bottom of the mountain is gone. Now, it's just, gosh, man. So that's about it for the first thing I want to show you, and I'll come back for another one. Alright, so if you still didn't believe the earlier one, here's another clear proof of evidence. See here, the equator, right here, shows something that people with brains call the Coriolis effect. Is when, due to the Earth's spin of the rotating spherical Earth above the equator, due to the spin, things that go straight look like they're curving, which is why in the northern hemisphere, well, you should get the idea. In the northern hemisphere, hurricanes and tropical storms spin counterclockwise, while in the southern hemisphere, they spin clockwise. So, yeah. As well as a few other things I might as well show you while you're here. So yeah, I'll be back. Alright, so we come to some more pieces of evidence from more of these, I don't even know what, flat earthers questions or whatever. I don't know, man. Alright, so, first off, it is, according to like the laws of gravity and physics and whatnot, all of that is physically impossible for the Earth to be flat. The reason is celestial bodies form, they become spheres when they're over 600 kilometers in diameter. And then they become a sphere. The Earth is 12,742 kilometers in diameter, which means it is physically impossible for the Earth to be flat. It's too big. Even if the Earth was made flat, over time it would turn back into a sphere. You cannot question that. That is the law of gravity. The law of time and space or whatever. If anything is bigger than 600 kilometers in diameter, anything in space, it will become a celestial body. Especially on Earth that is, gosh, more than 10 times the amount that it says the minimal amount of celestial body. The Earth, you can't object to that. And second of all, look at the picture. Photographic evidence. Now, people might object that it is photoshopped. And that they proved it with the red box thing. Well, I'll have you know that there was no Photoshop in 1972. So, yeah, that's kind of, proof. This is a real picture. It may have been taken with an old camera, and that's why that box is there. But either way, it was not tampered with or photoshopped using Photoshop, because there was no Photoshop in 1972. Don't know where you got there was Photoshop in 1972. And here, why haven't we found the edge yet? Why have so many people been to Antarctica and have never fallen off the Earth? Also, if you were to go west, kept going west, you would end up right where you started. It's because the Earth is a sphere. Also, in many ways, people have been at the continent of Antarctica, and they were not upside down or whatever, like as people like flat earthers object. They would be upside down if the Earth was spherical. No, it's not true. It's not true. And we've explored most of Antarctica, and we haven't found a stupid edge, the so-called edge. Another reason. We've made multiple trips to space with proof. There is many proof. Many amounts of proof. You may object that they faked the moon landing. No, they didn't. They didn't. Either way, there's no dome or anything. We orbit the sun doesn't orbit us. Same with the moon. And yeah, I mean, there's just so many people who just, God, man. And then they also say things like, okay, then how come we can't feel the Earth spinning really fast? Well, got an explanation for that, too. So, see, the Earth is so massive, so huge compared to us, we can't even feel it. And it's just so massive and has so much of greater size than we do. We cannot even feel it spinning. I mean, this has gone too far, people. You do not live in the 1400s anymore. 1300s, 1200s. You don't live there anymore. Welcome to reality. The Earth is round. Deal with it.